So it's our new Star Bend 800. We just purchased it a few months ago. We can do 3-inch round and smaller tubing bends. It's kind of an accessory to our tube laser. We had a lot of customers that we were tube laser cutting for. We're doing aluminum, we're doing stainless, we're doing mild steel. Once you get it loaded in, you got a good program and you got your right tooling, it's gonna hit that mark every time. It's gonna hit the right rotation every time. It's just more high production, high quality machine.
So we also offer rolling services here at M3. We can roll 3/8 thick grade 50 material across a 10-foot spread on this machine. Our top roll on this machine is 9 inches in diameter. With this machine, if we're welding like a tank, we would roll it into shape and then tack weld it and then pull it out and take it down the line.